So my mom right now is on her way to get a dolly to move her old fridge out of the kitchen, as it has been there for a couple days since she moved the food out of it. Now my sister is going to tell her that I unknowingly put food in the old fridge and now it's all moldy and stinky. My mom is going to go open it up to find a little bit more than some bad apples.
You're such an ass! What the hell?
I'm trying to sleep.
God! Sick! Where were you when I needed you?
Right here.
Huh? Oh, shit! Let go for that. It was, huh?
So yeah, Grandma Amy. Tree.
Watch out! Woo! Grandma on the bike! Whoa! It's a hunk of junk. Hey, hush.